How's it going, everybody? So I got a 2016 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light on this vehicle. So of course, set the ignition on. I'll show you the warning that comes up. There it is. Oil change required. So of course, we're going to be using the keypad. Pressing OK to get through the warnings. We're going to use the back button from the beginning, and then we're going to scroll down, go to settings, press OK. Then we're going to press OK on vehicle. Then we're going to scroll down until we get to oil life, press OK, and then you're going to see the remaining life. You're going to hold the OK button. That bar will scroll up, and once 100% successful, you just release, and then I would go back, press the back button until we scroll up to trip, and then you're back to the main menu and leave it there. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe. Have a good one.